You ever sit on a chair so creaky you're 90% sure it's going to snitch on you before dessert? Yep, been there. But don't toss it just yet. Today we're giving that squeaky old seat a full-blown chair makeover that'll make your guests say, "Wait, is that the same chair?" Let's get to work. What you'll need: drop cloth or tarp, screwdriver sandpaper, 80 grit, 120 grit, 220 grit, or electric sander wood stripper, optional for thick finishes, putty knife or paint scraper, clean rags or tack cloth, wood stain or paint, wood conditioner, optional but recommended for staining, clear polyurethane or furniture wax for protection, gloves and safety goggles, paintbrush or foam brush, and the chair, of course. Bonus tips: always test stain on a hidden area first. Wear gloves and work in a ventilated space. Don't rush the drying time. Good results need patience. Step 1. Prep your space. Lay down a drop cloth like you're prepping for a crime scene, because today we're about to murder that ugly finish. Flip the chair over. Remove the seat if you can. Grab your tools. Bonus points if you don't lose the screws. Step 2. Clean like you mean it. Wipe down every dusty spindle and sticky spot. Who knows what's been living in those crevices? A little soap and water goes a long way. You're not just cleaning, you're erasing years of snack crumbs and sticky fingerprints. Step 3. Strip the finish. Got thick, flaky varnish or 3 layers of what were they thinking? Time to bring in the big guns. Wood stripper. Brush it on, let it bubble, then scrape like you're peeling back bad design choices from 1993. Step 4. Sand that baby. Now we sand. Start with the rough grit. You're not carving a sculpture, just smoothing out decades of regret. Sand the legs, arms, backrest, and don't forget the sneaky curves. Pro tip: sanding burns calories. Step 5. Repair what's wobbly. Use wood filler for those mystery holes. Tighten up the wobbly joints. Now apply your conditioner. This is the moment you turn your chair from questionable support to throne of strength. Step 6. Time to stain or paint. Pick your vibe. Rich walnut for drama. Soft white for that cottagecore dream. Or bold black for I know what I'm doing energy. Brush it on. Wipe it off. Don't panic. It's just wood. Step 7. Seal the deal. Now protect your masterpiece with polyurethane or wax. This is like clear coat for your car. Keeps it safe, shiny, and admired by strangers. Step 8. Reattach. Restyle. Screw the seat back in, preferably with fewer curse words than it took to remove it. Set it in your dining room like royalty has arrived. Cue the aftershots. So if your chair went from wobbly embarrassment to dinner party centerpiece, hit that like button. Subscribe for more DIY fun and drop a comment. What furniture disaster should we fix next? Until then, keep sanding, keep smiling, and keep sitting in style.